Yes, sir. How are you? Very fine. Asante sana. Hello. How are you, madam? Yes. People already from the book. Daily. Is there a station at Nyayo?
There's no station.
Okay, let's do a station at Nyayo and let's connect very good.
So we have 8 lines and the incident. So the first line, line 1 is the observation station.
Yes.
We are now moving all the way to every.
Yes.
We initially
how many people are you moving?
Here we move
Yes.
Then we have Makanda, Ruto, Thika, but we are not doing Thika for now. We can make it. And we are around commuters. This is the most powerful line around 7,000 per day.
Per day?
No, that is we do 4 days. Now, when we look at this, we are...
But avoid the people sitting on top.
Nobody sits at the Now, this line has been located so most of the people now are using this line to come to us. It's told that we are services. And we have an observation station to contact. We have a asking about Kenya, but some we have done in station to Kenya. We have a station there next to Kenya, which is about just 1 kilometer from the town. And the station is going to be commissioned. It is going to be commissioned through the city. So that station is going to be
to Kenya. But how do you serve at Kitengela? Because Kitengela is the big population.
What we can do from Kenya to the Starline station
yes, you must. If you do that, you will do a big service to the Kitengela.
It's just
very good.
It touches the town. Completely. It touches the town. The one for Kiambu, so the station is very easy to do.
Okay.
Then we just have emergency station to keep we still have 6 kilometers here. That will be done with but the one thing I've done is we have to do on buses. We can measure the capacity. I don't think that's going to be the goal of our buses.
For now, until we get the money to
it's not the same.
Another airport,
yeah.
We transport people from the Makati station. That is the business line for us.
Now. Okay. So like how many people? Every day.
We look in 2 coaches. Each coach will
Is that the one we want to do the signal?
That's the signal and the ICT.
hoping to use that French financing to take the line now to complete it, but they weren't interested in the construction of the but there's some resources somewhere that we think we should move with them. It was initially the Spanish one.
Yes. Okay.
So Your Excellency, we are now involving.
Yes.
This is Bulbul, Karen, and then now Renana Riruta. So this is the link we are working on. So we have line 5, Makanda Bakas. This is the business line. It serves 4 stations, pipeline, aviation, and gas. So we terminate here, and most of the people currently in the airport. Again, if we connect Ruto-Kiambu, we'll have a full master plan completed, linking all the stations in Nairobi through the railway system. And the last one, Your Excellency, is what we have discussed. Here is almost the same thing, Your Excellency. Same stations, Riruta-Ngong, Kiserian, and Rongai. Your Excellency, we complete that is about 30 kilometers from Riruta to Rongai. And then we will have completed also the cycle of movement of people from Nairobi Central Station to Riruta, to here Ngong, then we go to Kiserian, we go to Rongai, and then we go back to the standard gauge terminus. And then Syokimau, and then we go back to town. Yes. So this is the impression of the station. And Your Excellency, we have a challenge on the sleepers because we have been using metal sleepers. The line being done here will be using cement sleepers. We will not use anymore in our construction steel sleepers because they are being vandalized and they are being stolen. Okay. And this is what you will see. Very good. Yes, Excellency.
Fanfare. Wakati huu sasa mgeni rasmi Mheshimiwa Rais atafunga nati, ishara kwamba uzinduzi rasmi. Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Rais anapofunga nati hiyo, ishara kwamba sasa mwanakandarasi aendelee na kazi. We appreciate His Excellency. Let's put a round of applause for His Excellency once again.